what's up? I think today is the day that in my previous video, I I tell my followers or my followers that as time goes on, we will do practical or I will teach you how you can rename, and change the password of this MiFi or pocket Wi-Fi. You see this Wi-Fi? Yeah, so today I'm here to teach you or I'm here to take you through the step-by-step approach or the step-by-step approach that will help you to change the name of this Wi-Fi, and the same time the password of this Wi-Fi. You see, so let's go. First of all, let me just put on the Wi-Fi. I put it on like this. Make sure the Wi-Fi is being connected. You connected to the Wi-Fi. You see this Wi-Fi. Make sure you get yourself connected to it. If you don't get yourself connected to it, it will be difficult for you to change the name and the password of this Wi-Fi. Because I've already have access to the code already, even though the key is not inside. The sheet or the paper, that small paper that contain the key, the password is not inside. But let's consider. Let me just show you. If your Wi-Fi is like this, there is another way that can help you to get access to it or to have access to the code. You have to go to settings. You go to settings. You see this? Go to settings like this. Did you see this? If you go to settings, you come to barcode. You see, go to barcode. Do you see it? I don't know if it is showing well. You go to barcode, then you scan it. You go to barcode. If you go to barcode, then you come to Wi-Fi key. You locate Wi-Fi key. You see, if you locate the Wi-Fi key, you click on it, then you see something like this. You see the scan code, you see the barcode. If it comes like it, you see it. It is barcode. This is the barcode. You can scan it. If you scan it, then it will get you connected to the MiFi or the Wi-Fi automatically. You see. So if you get connected, it will get connected to it automatically. So now if you get connected to the Wi-Fi, then you are cool to go. You have the access. You can now change the name and the password of it. So right now, this MiFi, there is no key. There's no paper. There's no key. There is a sheet, small paper inside that contains the key and the IP address. Without the IP address, you can't change the name and the password. So right now, this Wi-Fi, it did not have Wi-Fi address. You did not have the key. This Wi-Fi did not have the key. The paper is not inside this Wi-Fi. On that Wi-Fi, on the paper, you can locate the key and the IP address. So now if you check inside the Wi-Fi, then locate the IP address. If you locate the IP address, you go into your web browser. But for this one, I don't have IP address, so I'm going to use AI. I'm going to use AI to get access to the IP address. Are you getting me? So let's go. I'm now going to command the AI to show me how to change the name. That will help me to change the name of this Wi-Fi. And to help me get access to the IP address. So all what you need is to take screenshots. You have to take picture of this Wi-Fi. So here is the picture. Let me show you the image of this Wi-Fi. Oh, the image is not here. I think here is the image. Do you see the image? Do you see the image of this Wi-Fi? So I've snapped the image. I've taken the image of this Wi-Fi. So now let's go. This is what we are going to do. Watch me. Just follow the procedure carefully. And so far as I've snapped, I have the image of the Wi-Fi. So now I'm going to tell ChatGPT. I'm using ChatGPT. Wi-Fi. So now let's go. So all what I have to do is to snap in. I have to take picture of the Wi-Fi. So I've already taken picture of the Wi-Fi. So now let's go. I'm going to tell ChatGPT to do something to me. You see something. So now let's go. So here is, you see the Wi-Fi. I just click on it like this. So just pay attention to what I'm going to tell ChatGPT to do. Pay attention to see. Just see something. So now I'm going to command the AI tool, ChatGPT, to do what I want. I'm going to give it command. I'm going to command the ChatGPT. So I've already get my command already. So I just pasted it. So it goes. I just ask question. I question the ChatGPT. I question the AI tool. So now let's go. Let's go. How can I change the Wi-Fi name and the password on this MiFi device? In other words, on this Wi-Fi device, please provide step-by-step instruction. So now let's go. I hit the enter key. So see magic. I'm after the IP address. You see? So turn on the MiFi, connect your phone or your computer to the MiFi or Wi-Fi. Open web browser. Example, Chrome, Edge. You see? Example. So now let's take it again. Let's go. Method 1. Let's go. So we have let's go. So from the photo, this appears to be a unique 4G MiFi device. The brand and the model number aren't visible, but most MiFi devices are configured in a very similar way. Method 1: change the name, the SSID, and the password using a web browser. Turn on the MiFi. That is step 1. Connect your Wi-Fi, connect your phone or computer to the MiFi or the Wi-Fi. Option 3, open a web browser, Chrome, Edge, Safari. Any web browser, it can be Chrome, Opera Mini. So in the address bar, enter one of these address. So you see these addresses. So this is what I'm after, one of these address. So it provide me universal address, universal. So one of these IP address will match with this one. One of this Wi-Fi address will match with this MiFi. So let's go. Let me just pick option 1. You see option 1. I've taken number 1 because I've already connected to the MiFi. So just click on open. Let's see something. You see, I use AI. I don't know. I don't have the IP address, but I use AI to troubleshoot and get access to it. You see where AI is taking us to. That's why they say AI is now making cybersecurity simple. And there is a quote. A quote goes like this. They say if AI land in the hand of a wrong person, they can use it to do a lot of harm than dangerous. You see, so we are waiting. So that's the IP address. It is loading. I don't think this one is correct. So let's go back. If it opens, if it should work, an interface will appear. Let's go back. Let's go to the AI. So let's take number 2, the serial number 2, option 2. Let's pick it and see something. What will happen? This one too didn't work out. Yeah. You see? You see? So now let's click on open. So this is the IP address. So let's see something. Yeah. You do see the IP? You see an interface open like this. You see the interface. So here, let me just relax. If an interface like this open, because you don't know the password, you want to change the password and the name of the Wi-Fi. So this is what we are going to do. The username. You see the username? You see the username? The username, you type admin. AD. You type admin. You type admin. So let's go. ADM. It is already here. Admin. It is showing. You don't know the name of the Wi-Fi. So we use admin. The password also, you don't know the password. You want to change the password. So we are going to use admin. You come to password, you see, password. So let's go. ADMIN, admin. You see that? So now the admin now represents the password. So now let's hit the enter key. They say incorrect username or password. So let's go again. Maybe let's make it capital A, small a, D, I, M, I, admin. The same admin now. We are using the same admin. ADMIN. You see that? So let's hit the enter key again. Let's see magic. This is what we are waiting for. This is what we are waiting for. Did you see this? Did you see this? Yeah, so now the name of the Wi-Fi is now showing. The name of the Wi-Fi is now showing. So the Wi-Fi name. I'm going to change the Wi-Fi name. Let's go. The Wi-Fi name, I'm going to change it. You see, are you following? I hope you are following. You are following the steps. So now I'm going to change the password of this Wi-Fi. Let's go. The name. I'm going to change the name. Gascony GH Tech. That's the name. I'm giving it a name. I'm giving the name. I'm giving a name for this Wi-Fi. Gascony GH Tech 1. Because no. Yeah, I think let me do it 2. 2. You see this? Yeah. I'm changing the name. So now here, I've changed the name of the Wi-Fi. So now let's come here. Modify password. Yeah. You see? So the password, reshared key. Let's use. I'm changing the name of I'm changing the password of the Wi-Fi. I'm just changing the password. So I'm changing it. Click on yes. Auto download, auto update after a restart. Everything is done. I am done. I am done. So now let's go. So let's go. We are on the Wi-Fi, the password right now. So the first one, they say current password, the old password. old password. So here is the old password, admin. So here they say new password. So I'm changing the password. I'm choosing a new password. I think repeat the same one. So now we are good to go. Finished. We are done. They say password incorrect. So ADMIN, admin. So let's go. The current password is incorrect. Reload. Done. I am done. Say tap the dino to play. You see the password, this one went off. Finished. Yeah, I've changed the password that. So now we are done. Now we are done changing the name of the password. We are done changing the name and the password of this mini Wi-Fi, this pocket Wi-Fi. So now let's go and try it and see. Let's go and check and see if it is working. Let's go. So did you see the Wi-Fi? Here is the Wi-Fi. You see the new password. Let me add a new password. So now let's see something. You see, it has been connected. It has been connected. Did you see it? Yeah. It has been connected successfully. Let me show it to you again. You see the Wi-Fi, it has been connected already, successfully connected. Now we are done. We are done changing the name. That's the name of the password. Gasconi GH Tech 2. The password also. Everything is done. So now we are good to go. Cool. Let's go. So this is the step-by-step approach you can follow to get your Wi-Fi password and the name changed. You see? Yeah. It's as simple as ABCD.